Hi everyone, here's a small video of a mule I've been building over a few months. So unfortunately the first attempt failed. We had a few problems with the pivot system. The front of the mule didn't work, so then I went back to the drawing board again and built a different pivot system. The wheel system at the moment, the wheel's a bit too small at the moment, so hopefully my plan is to upgrade the wheels and make them bigger. As you can see, I'm just designing the bit here, side pieces at the moment. I've got one here at the bottom. It's a bit dark in here, but we'll show you what I mean in a minute. As you can see, I've padded it. It's been well strengthened with screws and whatnot, so that's what I'm doing at the moment. The straps are broke on this, but as you can see at the moment, it works. What I'm hoping to do is, I'm going to redo these straps again because these are to hold it in place. There's another one there, as you can see here, but like I said, we've got to put this back on yet. I started building this mule back in, I think it was last year when I started building it. It took me a few months to build it, but I got to the end. We've had, like I said, we've had a few flaws in building the mule. I will mention a few. I had a problem with wheels at first, couldn't get any old wheels, so as you can see, I got some. They do work, but they're just temporary for now. I've took the main part of it off, the grey part of it all. And I also put a floor in, which is made out of tent, so it's a lot better, more thinner and more compactor. People think that this trailer is a bit crap, but personally speaking, I'm the one that's built it, nobody else. So, but I hope that for everybody else, you do what I did and design your own trailer. I've started designing mine, as you can see from the picture. It's called the Mule, out of the Argos, but instead I'm designing it out of wood. I've not yet done the trailer yet, but you can see from the project I'm still working on it. But by the time next year comes, it'll be a better trailer. So I hope that for the sake of a couple of quid and a few pence here and a few quid here, you go to B&Q, you buy a few nuts and bolts, you get an old pram off your family member with big wheels on, you get a few pieces of wood from allotment, you bash bish bosh, get a few drill bits and pieces, drill it all together and bingo, and here you are. Here's what you get when you knock up a few screws and a drill and whatever else, and this is what you get. As you can see. Yeah. I'll be honest, it's not quite done yet, but slowly but just, it's gonna get better. As I progress through the stages of building this trailer, it'll improve and get better, and before you know it, it'll be a perfect trailer. As yet, I'm still having trouble trying to pivot it. I'm not able to do that yet. So, if anybody has any ideas on how to pivot, I'm all open for ears. At the moment, these silly things here, they're useless. So my plan is to take them off, and I'm going to put some wood in them about the same length as them, same height as us, but just put it to wood instead, because I think wood's a lot better. The canvas is in the canvas I've got, which I'll show you a bit more through the video. The canvas is in different room at the moment, which I've sewed it myself, all by myself, so I can't show you the moment working, but I will show you. It's at the moment this bit is part of the system, which as you can see, it's cheap plastic. But don't worry about that. Don't worry about that, because we're gonna alter that. What can I say? I hope Dan, Jamie, and Gary, I hope you're listening to this, because you have done extremely brilliant with this trailer, and I can't thank you enough for all the effort you've helped me put into it. And I hope that we carry on doing some more work on it, Gary and Jamie, because you've been brilliant. and we'll keep on working on the trailer. We'll keep working on it, and we'll build it. Like I said, at the moment we're still building it. So, like I said, but I'm just going to do some bits. I'm going to do some more building now. So you'll see me building it. I've got to go and get some pieces, wherever it is. Oh, I'm going to cut this bit out now. So, just doing it. This is the bit that I've got to do this, and I'm going to cut some more of this out now. So, this is the tent I've been using. As you can see from the floor. Oh, that there, you can see there. This is the covering bit for it. It's a lot more better than it was before. As you can see, that's the bit that covers it. It's really good design actually, because it's more compact and lighter, and it's not going to break. It's also waterproof. So as you can see, I'm using this and that there. That's also a part of it, which I'm using. It's a more better, refined thing to do. You know what I mean? I mean, you go out there and you spend shitloads of money, right, on going out there and you build and you get a trailer and you build it. For fuck's sake, so bad for a game of cards. We want to make us homemade trailer. We want to make it ourselves, be proud of what we've done. You know what I mean? And you might think, yeah, it's just a bodged trailer with a few nuts and bolts. You take it out and buy it a collapse. I'm sorry, but if you want to go out and spend £100 on a trailer, you do that. But do you know what? It's better to build your own trailer, because you'll be proud of what you've done. You're proud of building it, something you can be proud of, achievements you've made in building something that you've done yourself. It's not about going to the shop and splashing 100, 150 quid on a trailer. Come on. You know better than this. You know, and it happens in past. People's gone out there, and I've seen loads of people build their own trailer. It's better to build your own. You don't expect to go to Argos and spend 100 quid on a trailer, do you? Nah. You want this trailer to be carrying all of the shit for you. And it wants to be a good trailer. It wants to be something that you're proud of, that you're building. And this is something that I'm proud of building. It's something that I've been always proud of building. I've done this trailer now for the past few months. And I'm going to keep on at it, because it's something I'm proud of doing. I'm doing it myself. I'm working on this trailer. And I can't think of nothing else better to do. I've worked on it. I started the project and I'm still working on it. It's a project that I'm still working on it. And who knows where it might finish. One day it will get finished. But I'm improving it every single day. Making it better. Improving it where it needs to be improved. And this bit is the start of it. This bit's going to go underneath, so it covers the axle. So it doesn't lacquer the axle. Now, yeah. Also, you might be thinking, yeah, he's also just bolted it together. No, I've used screws. I've used a bit of wood as well. But I've also used poles as well, because the fiberglass poles. So they're from a greenhouse. So they're more compactor. They're more lightweight. It's not heavy. I could pick that trailer up, and it's lightweight. The stuff that I owned before, it were heavy. That's just shedded a lot of weight off that trailer. That trailer now will shift like there's no tomorrow now. So anyway, we've started to build it, and this is what we're going to get. So what I want to do now is, which I can't show you at the moment, but as you can see at the moment, I'm still building it. It's, yeah, I understand, it's a bit shabby, but like I said, at the moment, people can say what they want about this trailer, but I'm proud of it. Anyway, I just thought I'd just do this video, just to show you at the moment what I'm doing. But like I said, at the moment, people might say, yeah, but it's all about getting the trailer right. That's what it's all about. It's all about getting the trailer right and making sure it's all together, and it's not just bodged up. I don't bodge trailers. I use what you call nuts, screws, whatever. I use them, because at the end of the day, they are what builds your trailer. And you know what? I can't think of nothing better to do than do this. And Dad, can I just point out something to you, right? You might laugh, right? You might laugh at me, right? And think, yeah, look at that trailer. Expect the club members are going to expect me to pull every tent they've got. And you know what, Dad? Do you actually want to know something? I might even prove you wrong. Because do you know what? I pulled this trailer myself. and I know what it's like to pull it. And you know what? Sometimes, yeah, I struggle. That's because of the wheels on it. I need bigger wheels. If I get bigger wheels, it's going to be a lot more easy to pull. We've took it out on the first trip, me and Jamie, and it was spot on. There's no way the trailer won't go. And to be honest, Dad, I don't know what you're moaning at, to be honest, because I'll prove everybody wrong at that club. I built this trailer, I started building it. And you might think, yeah, it's shit just by looking at it. Well, should I tell you something? But at least my trailer is better than yours. At least I've not gone out and paid for my trailer. At least I've just built my trailer by hand. Unlike you, your trailer is already made. Ha ha, very funny, yeah. Well, at least I've got the courage to go out there and build one, Dad. Your trailer, yeah, it's a car trailer. But mine's a bike trailer. There's a difference. And, Dad, also, my trailer's been built by me. Moi. I've built it. So, I know for a fact that my trailer's going to handle it. And if I've done it myself and built it myself, yeah, go on, yeah, have a good laugh on me. Have a really, really big good laugh on me. Laugh your socks off. Because do you know what? When I'm pulling that trailer, when we go on that bike run, I'll laugh in your face when I'm still going, and I'm still going. I go, ha ha ha, there you are, Dad, proved you wrong. When I've got all them tents in my trailer, every little single tent in my trailer, and I'm still pulling it, I'll just laugh in your face. I will. And you know why I'll laugh in your face? Do you know why I'll laugh in your face? I'll tell you why. Because I proved you wrong. Prove you wrong that I've actually built a strong trailer that'll take anything. I've flung everything at this trailer. I've took it in every direction possible. And you know the only thing that broke on it? The pivot. Nothing else has broke on this trailer since I fixed it. The only bit that's ever broke on it is the pivot system. Dad, that's the only thing that's broke on it. The floor's not gone. No, has it heck gone? We built it. Me, Jamie, Gary, we both built the trailer. All three of us have, between us. So you can't say the trailer's not shit, Dad. Is it else shit? We built it, we've designed it. And you know what? It's a good trailer. It's a very good trailer. And like I said, Dad, I'm above what you think. The main thing is, I like the trailer. So, I'm now going to say bye-bye. I've now said my bit, and we're going to carry on doing some work on this trailer, and then I'll start some more videoing again, and I'll show you the masterpiece when it's all done and completed. So, as from now, Jamie and Gary, I'm going to say bye-bye to you, and I hope when you're watching this video that you'll learn a lot from what I've told you. Because like I said, thanks to you two, I want to build this trailer. But because you put your effort in, both of you, I'm thankful for that. And Gary, I can't thank you enough, mate. All the effort you put in for me, your tools, everything else. I can't thank you enough, mate. I really can't. And I'm so glad that you've actually helped me build this trailer. Because if you wanted to help me build it, I wouldn't have got that trailer done. But because of your drills you lent me, your screwdrivers, etc., your saw, everything that I've had to use to build that, it's now been built by you, me and Jamie, but mainly you. So thank you, Gary. Thank you so much for all your help and everything else. I really appreciate it. And I will keep on. So, from me, and my flat, and my trailer, bye-bye. And I'll speak to you on stage 2 of the trailer build. Bye bye everybody.